Okay, I got the video on. And that creates a vacuum, I read. Oh!
Alright, box. Now the lid.
Here. You can put it backwards so Summerhawk doesn't, it doesn't matter. Well, you make it look easy, but it's not.
There we go.
Wow.
Well, that we can keep there for a couple days.
Okay.
Alright, this one. Let's see. There. There. Solid. Solid now.
Great.
Alright. A few bees out, they'll probably die, you know, but you know, there's not much you can do about it. Those, you know, we might be able to, if they're not flying around much, we'll try and shake them into the...
This one? Oh, good. That makes me feel better. Ziploc bag fail.
All right. Can get the old clean out of there.
Oh shit! What, is there something in that can?
Where?
I just spilled it.
Yeah, that's sugar syrup.
Oh.
That's what they eat while they're on their way over here.
Oh.
Or where they ship them from, California or whatever, you know.
Could we put it by the bees? Oh.
No.
Oh.
You can, if you can open it up.
Are these dead?
If you can open it up, you can pour it into your other syrup that you have in the house.
Oh, okay.
And then still use it.
Where's the hole? I don't even see it.
Down in the bottom.
Oh. Facing down so she flies the right way if she comes out.
Yeah, once they eat it, the marshmallow, she'll walk right out then.
I'm your friend, bees. I'm not afraid of you. I'm your friend. Maybe a little afraid.
Put that right there.
What was that for again? I forgot.
What's that?
Your safety pin.
To pull the cork out.
Oh, got it. Uh-oh.
Oops, wrong one. Yeah, put this
Down,
in first.
bee.
Now in about 3 days, I think like Wednesday, they're talking the sun's supposed to come out. I'll come back and pull that cage out.
Is there such a thing as bee shit?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Because it made it on my phone. And that
See,
creates
that
a
should stop
vacuum.
in a little bit.
Because it's thick, that's why it works. I couldn't figure that out. Oh, there's one in my hat. How did it get in here? Damn it.
Alright, let's see here. Get that other lid.
Should I go walk away and take my hat off?
Oh yeah, you can. See, at this time of the